Welcome to the ninth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. The focus of this lesson is on trousers. Now let's work on making panel for trousers. Usually, we start with a default template, add the relevant nodes to form the shape of the garment, and then set the appropriate dimensions. Because the sizes of the front and back rise are different, we need to first adjust the stitch count. Then, check the option Left-Right Separate Rules so that the front and back rise can have independent dimensions. The knit spec requires that the last set of lines must be horizontal. You can first add a node above it, then adjust the stitch count. Select Left-Right Separate Rules, then copy the relevant dimensions to these two nodes and overlap them to form alignment. This way, these two intersections will overlap. Finally, let's take a look at the pants with the knit spec adjusted. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.